So it's like a wish list.
Literally had to steal it from you. Like, that's why I got 7 of them, because I just told myself. Massive hardwood log floating in the lake.
at you! You did it! You did what only 89% of my subscribers do! Watch to the very end of the video! Thanks for watching. I liked this project, it was good. I did some forging on it today, and it held up very well. I'm not concerned at all about the bolts stripping out. Did some pretty heavy hammer swings on it, and it worked fine. Yeah, so it's a good option. This is just a railroad plate, if you didn't notice from the video. And it's not super hard. If I hit it good and hard with that hammer, it's going to leave a dent, but it's definitely stronger than the cast iron. And it's a good option. I got the Anvil for like $55, and if you count in, you know, all the sand discs and stuff, you can probably get those for $10 at Harbor Freight too. So like $60, $65 for the whole project. And just time and patience, but you know, we're time and patient like people. Not my primary anvil. My primary one is the one the camera's set up on now, which is a railroad track anvil. I just wanted the hardy hole, and it's a pain to try to drill through any of the rail, so I decided to go with this and do the other. But it held up well. I want to thank all the people who subscribed to me since I stopped, you know, posting at all. Since I stopped with, like, you know, about 70 subscribers, and now I'm up to 85, I believe. So thank you, and I hope you enjoy this video. Well, let's go there.